Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is actually from Sam's. I was in Sam's the other day. I walked by the watch case and they have this Luminox Sea Bass for $149. It's about $165 with tax, and I thought, what the heck, I'm going to try it out for that price. I had a Luminox in the past. Tilt this down a little bit so we can see it a little bit better. I had a Luminox in the past that I really enjoyed, and what I liked about this model is not only does it have some tritium tubes, but it also has super luminova. So let's take a look at everything. I like doing these videos just to remember the things I've bought in the past. It does have a Luminox warranty card. So that's kind of interesting. They are not an authorized Luminox dealer, so I was kind of surprised to see that they have a warranty card in there. No instructions or anything, which I didn't really expect. I mentioned before I've had tritium, but I also like super luminova. And this watch gives you the best of both worlds because you've got super luminova and tritium tubes on it. I think the tritium tubes are going to be 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6, 9, and then on your hands. And then those circles that you're going to see is going to be your super luminova. I will do a lume shot and maybe attach that to the end of this video. Give you a look at the case back. Luminox is kind of an interesting brand. This one does have a mineral crystal. There's not a whole lot of their models that have sapphire crystal. A lot of people complain it does kind of feel cheap, but I can tell you, I had one before and it was a great watch. And even though it feels cheap, it feels great on the wrist. They weigh literally nothing. Luminox logo on the buckle. And I will show you the tag just in case you're curious. I tried to do some research on this model. The only Luminox site I could find that had it was the UK site. So I'm not sure if this was a UK model that was not sold in the US. I do know it is available on Amazon, but it's not shipped and sold by Amazon. It's by a third-party retailer, which I try not to buy from, even though I bought from Sam's, but I've always had good luck with Sam's. So that's a quick look at it. Everything comes with. Let's take a look at that lume shot. Just one other thing I wanted to mention. The strap does have a keeper built into it. It can be kind of a pain, but if you wanted to, you can actually put this buckle on this side of the keeper and it keeps it from moving. I actually find it to be kind of a pain. I've got some other watches that have it, but if you don't like it, you can simply move the buckle past it. So it does have that. It also has a hacking movement. It does not have a screw down crown, so the crown simply pulls out. But when you get to the first position, it's going to be your date. Second position is going to be your time setting, and that is hacking. Basically means that the second hand will stop. All right, I mentioned we would take a look at the lume. Let me say this, when you come in from outside, the lume is really bright, but it fades very quickly. So the super luminova is not very good on here. If you've never had a tritium watch though, the tritium you can see all night long. It's kind of a light glowing, so it's not going to blow you away with its brightness, but it will be there forever, at least until the tritium tubes start wearing out. So you're going to see the super luminova fade here pretty quick. Let me get it charged up with my flashlight. As always, I hope this video helped. If you have this model and you're sitting out there watching, I hope you'll chime in and let me know what part of the world you're in and whether or not you like this one or not. Thanks for watching.